Hi, my name is Bikram Roy. I am a student of MSc Project Management from Ravensbourne University, London. And this is a reflection video. My topic is a BioWin, a sustainable smart composter aligned with environmental, social, and governance principle. This slide introduces the core problem that the BioWin project aims to solve: household food waste mismanagement. In India, more than 50% of 62 million tons of waste is biodegradable, yet less than 20% is treated properly. This leads to dangerous method emission, poisoning, serious environmental risk. The BioWin provide a smart, efficient solution using waste composting technology that reduce food waste volume by 90% in 24 to 36 hours. It meets ESG goals by converting waste into value while addressing climate change and urban sustainability challenges. Here we outline the project sustainability trend goal. The Wyvern aim to cut 4.5 tons of carbon dioxide emission annually for every 1,000 units deployed. It used 80% recycled materials and achieved 90% composting efficiency. Uh, Deliverable include the product prototype, user app, ESG performance dashboard, and educational content. The project supports UN SDG as 11, 12, 13, encouraging sustainable urban living. The BioWin ensuring environmental protection, social responsibility, and storage ethical governance. It is a operations. This slide details the identification and engagement of key stakeholders such as household, NGOs, local municipalities, suppliers, and green investors. Their roles their roles are crucial for the project. ESG alignments household expected as of user hygiene, while NGOs support community. Monthly app-based feedback encourage user inputs directly influence product development. Local authorized integration into multiple waste strategies. ESG dashboard will promote transparency, ensuring all stakeholders' expectation and address consistently and sustainability throughout the project lifecycle. Effective governance is central to BioWin's success. Sustainability steering committees will oversee environmental, social, and ethic performance. Five sustainability checkpoints covering design, supply, testing, deployment, and audio ensure regular project assessment. The governance system includes a blockchain involved transparency mechanism for tracking ethical sourcing. This structure ensuring project integrity, ethic, ethical decisions making, and responsible innovation aligned with international governance standards such as ISO 26000 and the triple bottom line. This slide outlines how BioVins ensure sustainability across its supply chain. All raw materials are sourced within a 500 kilometers radius to reduce transpiration emissions by 25%. Supplier must meet a sustainability score of 70% based on the emission. Circularity, labor rights, and waste reduction. Key materials including recycle, HDPE, and stainless steel. The products design support 90% recyclability and refurbish and return model encourage circular use. Procurement is guided by ethical and environmental responsibility, embedding sustainability from raw material sourcing and of life. We examine potential risks that may affect sustainability performance. Technical failure could reduce composting efficiency. So, involved diagnostic and app-based guide guidance are including social resistances to composting will be addressed through gamified education and community workshop. Supply chain risks such as sourcing delay are mitigated by qualified alternate vendors with an at least 80% as ESG compliance. This proactive strategies ensure that the BioWind project remain resilient and accountable. This slide presented the sustainability indicators used to track project success. Environmental KPI include diverting 180 tons of food waste and reducing 4.5 tons of carbon dioxide per 1000 unit annually. Social KPI target 80% user adoption within 3 months and 4.2/5 satisfaction score. Governance KPI measure 100% ESG complaint tier 1 suppliers and 70% integration of stakeholders feedback. This KPI will uh, tagged, tagged using real-time dashboard connected to BioWin system, ensuring measurable and actionable insight during every project phase. This life cycle assessment of the BioWin consists of 5 key phases: material extraction, involves sourcing raw of recycle inputs need for manufacturing. Manufacturing converts these materials into the final product using energy efficient process. Transport account for moving materials and product across the supply chain. During the using phase, household operate the BioWin compost where waste is using effectively. Finally, end of the life management, ensuring responsibility recycle, refurbishing or disposal, minimizing environmental impact and supporting circular economic principles. This slide, this slide visually presented by project process using Lucid Card. Key phases including design, procurement, production, pilot testing, and feedback integration. These are the 5 decision gateway: supply, validation, material, approved government site up, rollout, readiness, and ERP activation. This structure visual map ensure ESG element are integrated into each step in enhancing project efficiency, visible and continuous sustainability improvement. Last, last to conclude, Biowin address a critical urban issue with a scalable technology-driven and ESG compliant solutions. It reduces food wastage, lower carbon emissions, and engage communities in sustainable practice. With robust government responsible sourcing and life cycle accountability, it is an example sustainable project. Mm, the process map, the metrics make a measurable, repeatable, and adaptable across design. Overall, Biowin more than the product is a model for the urban sustainability and responsible innovation. Last is references. Thank you.